Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to a Monday edition, September 16th, 2019 edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. Hey, I'm AJ. What's going on? What's up? You know what? Today was today was about experience. It was about experience. You had to be experienced to walk hundreds of traders into profitability. Whether you're new, old, pro, whatever. If you've been trading for years, listen, today was all about energy. Oil was up, energy sector up, all right? And everything else was just kind of flat or coming down. Tech was down a little bit, but boy, did we come in here and we were ready. And I had to prepare the chat room. And one of the things I said today was listen, the energy market, the oil is going to be up for a while. So scale in, take your time, don't rush into anything. All right, because the trades are there. You're going to get paid. And most of today was 50-50. It was long and short. I had a lot of short ideas and I had a long ideas. But what I had and I brought to the table today was experience. Today was all about experience. It was about being trading for 16 years. Had it really today was you had to be on point. Because if you weren't and you didn't know how to trade this market, then then it would have been a bad day for you. But in here it was a great day. It was really fun. It was exciting. um when the great dark side took the mic when I was on break, it was really nice. His comments, he said, this is the kind of trade days that you really live for, because it's everything is so it really was predictable. And the reason why he says that is because he's experienced what I went experienced. That's why today it was just, I mean, it was setup after setup after setup after setup. And today, I focused on, I think, five or six energy plays. I focused on Yuma. Now, there were hundreds and hundreds of plays today, but I have a special group of traders that come in here that have anywhere from $500 to $5 million in worth in their accounts. And so I wanted to find things that were going to be really good quality plays to make money. And Yuma, Wall was a big win. SM went with Wall. I loved it. I'll show you those two trades. ENPH was an upgrade. AIMT was FDA approval on the voting. SLB was energy. Newer was energy. Zoom was an upgrade. Netflix was technology. TDD, NVIDIA, and Crowd. Now, just so you know, on Friday, I gave TDD long and I gave AYX long. I gave AYX long at 111 and the stock pulled to 109, and I said the stock would go to about 114, 115. I bought it for the sole purpose of a squeeze because I had bought in the sell-off. If you look, here's the sell-off. See the sell-off? So I bought here, added on the dip in pre-market, pulled it, added some more, and then it popped. I was green. I was done for the day. Okay. TDD, same trade. And I gave you these trades live on Twitter and in the chat room. So it gave you all the ability. I was buying the weakness. I added on the pullback because I didn't size in. Again, scaling in is everything. No reason for me to size in. Took 100 shares, added 50 more here, 50 more here. It popped. I was green. I was done for the day. I had 100 shares here, 50 shares here, added here, popped, green for the day. I gave another one like that, Crowd. Crowd is one of my favorite stocks to play. Why? I love Crowd. $65 is a buying opportunity. I said that on Friday. So I picked up 200 shares, added on the dip, had an average, it popped, I was done for the day. Now these were just given for free because I just, I don't mind. I mean, this is what I'm going to trade because I'm very transparent and I don't go and say after the fact what I did. So those three were just automatics. Okay. And I was prepared for them to pull more. When I opened up this morning and I saw the market coming down, by 150 points, I just smiled. Okay, so I'm red across the board on all three of my trades. But it's okay. I'll add. And as soon as they pulled, I added, and bam, bam, bam. The next trade we did was, I'm going to give you these two. These were great ones, Wall and SM. Now, these are energy plays in the energy sector. And what I did on these two was, now, what was happening this morning with these oil plays, energy plays, they were all getting upgrades from tier one analysts. And that's really, really important because it gave me a range to play these stocks. Now, everyone had this at $11 and under. Today, they were upgrading Wall to $12, 11, 12, and 14. SM, the same thing. They had all these energy plays at 10 and under, upgrading to 14, 15 a share. So that told me that I could buy on the weakness and get a nice run. So on Wall today, it was one of my second ideas to go. And I said, listen, on Wall, I want you to long at 950. Look at the big picture. I really educate traders to do that. Don't be so small, narrow-minded. Look at the big picture. I got an $18 price target on this stock from Key Bank. Okay, the stock's sitting at 950. Yes, it's up too, but Wall has been a broken down stock for the last 6 months to a year. This stock has room to run. Nibble long at 950, add on any dip to 850, and the stock will run to 12. SM, this one will pop at the open towards 12, come down to 1050 area, bottom curl, and head back up to 12. Okay, so it was all about just scaling in. Now I want you to take each trade. Wall, there's the 950 entry. You see it? Everyone had the same opportunity. 950 entry, and it ran it to 11. Stock hit almost 12 per my notes. SM pulled. I said 10.50 to pull. It hit $10.65. Bottom curl, long it to 12. It hit 13. See that? Beautiful trades today. Beautiful. I'm going to give you another one we did today. It was called Newer. Now, Newer, you've never traded Newer before, a lot of you in other chat rooms, and that's fine. But Newer, uh, did they appointed someone, I believe, a CFO to the company, but what they brought was their earning guidance was down a little bit. But what you don't understand is this stock is a type of stock that gets bought up on weakness. I know this. Yes, been trading for 16 years, so I know how this stock is going to function at the open. So what I did is I looked at it and I told everyone, listen, traders, I would long the stock at 50. If this pulls to 48, don't get shaken out. This stock will go to 45 to 55, 54 to $55 today. Trust me, they're going to fill most of this gap back up. And that's exactly what we played. And if you look, here's the 50 entry, add on any dip, bottom curl, and here's 54, and here's 55. And it actually went to 50, 57? It filled the gap. Isn't that incredible? Because I knew the stock would make a run. I'm going to give you another energy play we did today. COP. Look at this baby. Now COP is gapping up. 57.50 ConocoPhillips. One of the biggest oil and gas plays. So you're up here at 57.50 and you're gapping up all the way to 61.50. But because I understand the energy sector, I understand the oil sector, I knew this would have a nice run today. So I did not tell the traders this will gap fill. No, I did not. I want you to look very specific where I said the stock would come down to. I said ConocoPhillips would come all the way down to $60.50. Bottom curl, and would go right through 62 to towards 65. But it will bottom curl at 60, 50, and 61. You see how precise that is? I did not say it would gap fill. I did not say short the stock. I just simply said this will pull, watch for the pull, 60.50 is your bottom. Now, this was written down an hour before the market even opened. All right, just like Newer was, giving everyone an opportunity to make money. So if you wanted to long a stock with 100 shares or 6,000 buying power, you just wait. Ding, 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 ding. Guess where ConocoPhillips came down to? $60.50. Bottom curl, heading towards 65. You see how simple that was? 99% of the chat rooms didn't touch this. They don't understand the move. They don't understand the sector. They don't understand it, so they won't play it. So they'll make fun of it or talk it down or whatever. Who gives a fuck what they think? What matters is what you do in here. Follow the plan, you make your money. This trade right here on 500 shares would have made the entire room $1,500. One trade, one execution enter, one execution exit. I'm going to give you another one. Look at this call. I'm going to give you, how about an FDA? All right, AIMT. Now, one thing about this room is the ability to nail FDA plays. I mean, this was just, come on. I mean, look. First of all, you have to understand, what sector is this? Peanut fucking butter. Peanut fucking butter. Really? Achoo! Achoo! What? I got an allergy. I'm breaking out. Okay. Yeah, it could be annoying. I understand that. People are allergic to peanut butter. I get it. But for me, you know what I hear? I hear cha-ching, cha-ching. I don't hear any cells. All right. All I heard was Meg Ryan say it's a $1 billion industry. I'm sorry, is $1 billion going to AIMT? Is their books changing? Did they make any money? Did you answer no to both those questions? Then why is it fucking long? Because it got voted that it was safe to use? No, it's a short. And so what I have to do as a trader now, as the best day trader in the world, I got to tell people, well, traders, where's the stock going to pop to at the open? Because you don't know. So you hired me to tell you. So I have to put it in writing first. Well, AMT is going to pop at the open at 27. And when it does, get the fuck in there and take this to 23.50 and peanut butter this. Okay? That's the trade. Yeah, but my friend said, I don't give a fuck what your friend said. Yeah, but the FDA, I don't give a fuck with the FDA. Okay, but this other room's, oh my God. Stop it. Short the fucking stock. Don't argue. Not with a pro. Ding, 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 ding. Pop at the open. 27. Slam it down. 23.50. Hit 23.20. You were done. Huh? We're not walking in the woods in this fucking room. Uh-uh. Okay, listen, I'm going to give you one more trade and then call it a day. Let me show you what this one is. Shit. Gosh, there's so many. Oh, I got 100% today, by the way. You know what? I'll give you ENPH. This one I caught from Palmer this morning on his feed. Palmer, if you don't recognize Bank to Trade, all I needed to see was his feed, and I knew exactly what to do with the stock. Here's the alert. Okay, I'll show you how this one was formed. All right, I follow Bank to Trade, right? So I come over here. I'll show you Bank to Trade. All right, so there's Palmer, and you cut down here, you scroll down in the pre-market, right? Bank to Trade, and it is right there. JP Morgan 32 initiated. There's my alert. That's it. That's all I need to hear. Next. All right, that's it. I wrote it down. Now what do I do with it? Short. I already knew. It was 2 seconds. I already knew. Now I've got to plan the whole thing out for all the traders in the room. Right? I got to plot it all out. So I come over after I got the alert and I tell everyone, okay, well, this is what's going to happen on ENPH. ENPH is going to pop at the open towards 24 to 25. When it does, I want you to lean into it short, and then I want you to take it down 1.5 to 2 points. So, in other words, the stock is going to come down at least 1.5 to 2 points off its highs. So if it hits $25 a share, it's going to come down to 23. Okay, I've already told you that's what it's going to do. It's done. I don't need your permission. I don't need to go ask somebody. I don't go copy and paste somebody's fucking idea. Okay? It's here. It's in my fucking brain. I just want to take this and make you thousands of dollars. If you came here for one day for 25 bucks, here's your trade to make $1,000. It's up to you. Do you want it? If you don't want it, then just stare at it. But to me, and guess what I said? Top pick play. Boom. It's a top pick play. I mean, you can't lose. You cannot lose on this trade. All you have to do is wait for it to pop. And I'm already telling you where it's going to go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you handle this? I don't think you can handle this. I really don't. I said we'll go to 25 at the open. Ding, 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 ding. 24.92. Next, I said we'll go to 23. Bam. It's already at 23.09. You see that? You could have made thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. The stock didn't go up all day. Not a bottom crow and all may move to the upside. Fill the gap first. Then we'll go along. Okay? This is day trading at ACK level. All right? So, those are some of the trades we did today. Of course, the great dark side, Janny, Palmer, Adam, all of us had really good ideas. Raphael, B trades. You didn't really need to have small cap plays today. I mean, there was no reason. You had shorts, you had longs, you had energy, you had FDA. I mean, you really had everything for yourself. I mean, all you had to do was just pick which one you wanted. And today was a very beautiful day to start out on Monday. I'm very pleased. I am green for the day. It was incredible to watch the traders do so well. I mean, today the Twitter feed went off the hook. I think we still have a lot more things that are being said out there. Wall was great. The great Ollie pulled in 299. All caught live. Took the two trades, AMT and Wall. I mean, just congratulations. We can go on and on. Palmer, John did $700. I think he traded Zoom. That's another one. I don't even want to get into that one. JT, I love you. JT took 4 trades. Each trade got 2 points each. One of them was crowd. Just it's just it was sick. It was sick. So, and congratulations to Noel. He came in. He did Wall and AIMT off our list. I didn't have Roku or CB or WT, but I did give him Wall and AIMT, and both of those he did very, very well. Those were his 2 highest, along with DWT. So, congratulations to Noel. And I can go on and on and on and on. And look at Mike Purdue. I mean, he just flawless. 1,000 shares, 54. I scalped this in the chat room, and I said I'm going to go long the stock, 500 shares, and I already was up 300 something dollars. I scalped it for 20, 30 cents. I made another, so I made 400 and what was it, 488.30 on this stock, and he nailed it for 200 just right here in 26 seconds, just because I like the stock. And the stock, if we would have stayed in it, the stock hit 58 a share going to. I mean, we would have made another $4,000. Jeez. I mean, it was fun today. It really was. So, and congratulations to Clay. Never seen Clay have such a terrific. I mean, look at this, just beautiful. All on our list. Newer, ENPH, AIMT. Congratulations. I mean, that's what it's about. Pay it forward. Help a trader. Teach them. Educate them. And, I even got to give props to my friend Dave, the trader. Right here, Dave. He took shop long from his cell phone, I believe, at 325, and added, and it hit 334. I mean, he just congratulations. Shop was a really good play. Anyway, thank you for listening to this great webinar. I hope to see you tomorrow. 25 a day, $100 for a week, And $6.75 for a day for 197. See you tomorrow. Take care.